Step 1. Collect data. Gather examples like text, images, audio, or numbers. Step 2. Clean the data. Remove errors, duplicates, and useless information. Step 5. Train the model. The model learns patterns from the training data. Step 4. Choose the models. Pick the type of model that fits the task. Step 5. Train the model. The model learns patterns from the training data. Step 6. Test the model. Check how well it performs on new data. Step 7. Improve the model. Adjust settings, add better data, or retrain. Step 8. Deploy the model. Use the model in an app, website, or real-world system.